We've gotten so used to being afraid that we've been selling stocks for days on end. Sell. In part because we're worried that they'll report not so hot earnings. That includes early this morning when the market got severely oversold before rebounding. Dow closing up 122 points, S&P gaining 0.8%, NASDAQ advancing 0.12%. No one wants to own a stock unless it can report what's known as a BTE. A BTE meaning a better than expected quarter. The tyranny of BTE has cast a pall over this market. But now that earnings season has actually arrived, with PepsiCo kicking things off, many stocks are down big from their highs, and I'm starting to think that they've fallen so far that BTE is the wrong concern. Instead, we should be looking for quarters that are not as bad as feared, or NABF, N-A-B-F for short, NABF. Yesterday, Wall Street was concerned that PepsiCo would fail to deliver better than expected numbers, and the stock plunged from 137 down to 133 and change in anticipation of that bad number. After all, PepsiCo missed. If there was any degradation at Frito-Lay, if there was any market share loss to Coca-Cola, you had to believe that this thing would get clubbed like a baby seal. But as it turns out, PepsiCo's results were not as bad as feared. It was a NABF quarter with strong sales in both food and beverages. While the company didn't raise its forecast, the stock had already been hit so hard going to the report that this didn't really bother anyone. And that is NABF for certain. Gets better. Some of PepsiCo's divisions are truly on fire. Gatorade seems to be returning to the old fabulous growth trajectory it used to have. Now, Frito-Lay's products are being snapped up by millennials. There was a lot to like here. 2 days ago, this quarter would have been a non-event. Today, it sent PepsiCo surging to a new all-time high. And that's not just because it was better than feared. Like I told you last night, when the market gets this oversold, it can act like a coiled spring, with stocks rallying beyond where you ordinarily expect them to go to on good news.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.